Hey, guess what, man? I get the cutest girl on the wall over here. So, who's the bestest chef? The man in the band! Big check of the man in the band! Greatest videographer. We got the greatest artist. You're working at the airport, right? Awesome. And guess who's here, man? The greatest ukulele player. And our deli, our greatest customer service deli right there. Hey, but who's the fastest chef?
Man in the Pan.
Oh yeah, big check of the man in the pan! Welcome to the Man and the Pan. Today I'm going to do something really super exciting for you. I'm going to do like a stir-fry ramen noodles. First of all, I cooked these ramen noodles. It's a san ramen and I cooked it up just like this. Okay? You know, with this ramen, yeah, just to make them fancy. I got the stuff and I break them in half after I cooked it, okay? Then I'm gonna fry half, just like that. It's almost gonna come like a cake noodle because I want it to be crispy outside, okay? Make it crispy because you know when you eat it, you're gonna have one texture. I think it's crispy enough, okay? Put it right on this plate. In the meantime, I cut all these vegetables. I have bean sprouts, I have cabbage, I have onions, and I have carrots. I also cut some Chinese roast pork. Dump them in here, Chinese roast pork. It's already cooked. You can use char siu, you can use belly pork, you can use any kind of pork, as long as it's thin sliced. Okay, the reason why I like this Chinese roast pork is already pre-cooked, so I have that in there. First thing I throw is those hearty vegetables like the onions and the carrots, okay? Dump it in here. Okay. Stir it around. Okay, after it's cooked, and dump in the cabbage. Okay. Throw in the cabbage. Stir it around. Eat all the noodles I didn't really cook. Dump that in. Stir that around. Mix it all up. Last thing I dump in the moyashi. Stir it around because you don't want it really well cooked. Now in here, you add tonkatsu sauce. Okay? I add some tonkatsu sauce. Maybe about 2 tablespoons. A little bit of sesame oil. Okay. Then I add in a little sake. Just a little bit sake. Then, just a little scotchy shoyu. And I think it's done. Okay. Now you put it on these noodles here. You know the one I fried earlier? So it was crispy on the bottom. There you go, fried ramen. I'm not done yet. Put in some furikake right over just to make it look nice. There you go. Fried ramen. The burger look good, but let's see how it tastes. Okay? Get some ramen here. Get some pork. Mmm. Wow. So great. Mmm. 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 Problem with this, once you start eating, it's hard to stop. Until next time, we'll see you on the Man in the Pan. Aloha.